To start using Instagram's repost feature, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Next, open Instagram and navigate to your home feed. Below a regular post, you will find the repost icon positioned between the comment and share icons. Tap the repost icon to share the post with your followers, where it will appear in their home feeds and in the repost section of your profile. If you want to add a comment with your repost, tap your profile icon that pops up on the left. Type in your comment, then tap Save. Your comment will appear as an overlay on the post when your followers view it in their feeds. While browsing the Reels tab, the repost icon appears on the right alongside the like, comment, and share buttons. Tap the repost icon to share a reel, and tap your profile icon on the left to add a comment if you want. The reel will be shared with your followers, appearing in their home feeds and in the repost section of your profile. Your comment will appear as an overlay on the post when viewed by your followers. When you visit your profile, a new tab will appear. Tap the repost icon there to view all the content you have previously reposted. If you change your mind and want to undo a repost, simply open the post and tap the Undo Repost button on the right to remove it. The post will be removed from your followers' feeds and your profile's repost section. So that's how you can use the new repost feature on Instagram.